All right, so I've had this Krios Mini dash cam for a few months now. Just wanted to give a quick review, of course, with some sample footage. I just want to mention there's also a discount code available on the Grdian website. Save you a little money if you want to buy one of these cameras or any other cameras. I'll put the details in the description below. Not much as far as unboxing or install. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, it's a camera. It's got a 3M sticky pad, sticks to the windshield, and then you wire it up with USB power. You can see I just mounted it up here. I just went into parking mode because we're sitting here, but doesn't really get in the way of anything. One nice feature that I've used a lot is that you can swipe your hand under it and it'll take a photo. Actually, I don't know if it'll do it in parking mode, but it did. So that'll take a picture and I will show you what that looks like. Another great feature about it is the app. Let me get it fired up here on my cell phone. So the Grdian app just connects via Wi-Fi to the camera, and that's a live view. You can go through your pictures. So let's see, from a drive home here just a little bit ago. And there it is. So you can take that picture, you can download it to your phone, you can save it, share it, host it, do whatever you want. Just a neat feature of the app. It also shows you all of your parking videos, which I'll show you samples of those. Give you an idea of what the camera looks like from the outside. It's pretty non-obtrusive, if you can see it through the windshield. But like I said, not much to the camera. Wired up USB power. I've got mine on constant power, so I have the parking mode. So let me show you some sample footage, because that's what we really care about. It's how good the video is that comes out of it. So I hope that those sample pieces of video and pictures in the parking mode kind of give you an idea of what this camera can do. Again, the swipe feature is one that I use quite often, where I just will see something I want to snap a picture of, or even a nice scene or vehicle that I want to see or whatever, and there it is. It takes the picture and it goes right to my phone. So that is a pretty neat feature. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you're looking for one of your own, there's a discount code available on the website. It will be posted in the details or in the description below, and hope you guys like it.